You can believe me if you want to. No, you don't have to. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. We do this on Thursdays and Sundays, like usually, for the most part. There's been a few hiccups here and there, but I still manage. It's okay. Hit that like and subscribe button if you enjoy what you see so you can keep enjoying this kind of content. And today we're going to be playing with some eyeshadow, and I stumbled across this cutie. It has been a hot minute. I used to use this on the daily when I first received it, and I loved it. And I have a feeling I'm still going to keep loving it because it's so simple, so great, so beautiful. I'm talking about you. Just look at this outside. Look at how, okay, I'm not gonna get you hella close. Look at how pretty the outside is. Great texture. It's very, I don't know, it's appetizing for your senses. Yeah, I went there. But this is my Tarte eyeshadow palette. It is the Sizzle palette. That's what they call it, Sizzle. Originally, I think I got this as like my BoxyCharm. Originally, I think I wanted like one of the other ones. You got like 3 you could choose from. I did not want this one. This is the bottom of my bucket for what I wanted, but I got it. We love this. It's reflective, beautiful on the outside, beautiful on the inside. We come with a mirror. It's easy to see why it's one of my faves. Just throwing it out there. It's like all in one, good to go. But then again, I mean, like, most everything from Tarte is amazing. It's great. It's just, it's good. You can't beat it. Well, no, you can beat it, but I mean, it's good. I wouldn't say great, but it is really good stuff. So, and we're gonna be playing with it today, and by we I mean me. For this palette, and this is probably like one of my favorite palettes that I first started on, that I would dip into daily. I loved it because there's just so much. Let me grab her. There's just so much you can do. So I would use this daily, pretty much. Whether you want to go more dark, light, combo, mattes, shimmers. How many shimmers we got in here? Do you say on the back? No, it's all on the inside. Made in Italy though. 5 shimmers, 3 mattes. So really, whatever you're feeling, you want to do just matte, do just matte. You want to do a little bit of shim shim cherie, go for it. Get your shimmer on. You want to do both? Prepared. It's just, I love this one. It's so beautiful. And it came out with their Tarte Rainforest of the Sea little collection too, so I thought that was kind of cute also. And I'm gonna do like how I did before. I only need 2 brushes. One really poofy one, and then one kind of dense one to pack on any kind of sparkle I want. So let's dig in, shall we? And per the usual, no, I have no idea what we're gonna be doing. We're just gonna be going for it. What you feel is what you get. Just go with what you feel. But for sure. And it's simple as that. I love this look. Super easy, super easy, super quick. Super pretty. I mean, like, it's a really good go-to look you can use. Good go-to palette, which explains why I used it for so long, and I'm still gonna keep using it for so long, because I mean, you can make so many looks from this. I could have stopped with just one shade and it would have looked great, but we went for like a couple. Even though I was gonna do like 2, but we went for a couple and it looks good. I'm just throwing it out there. I'm gonna go ahead and let you go though. Let me know in the comments down below if you've tried any of the palettes from Tarte, if you received any of them from like Birchbox, I believe. Ipsy also did some. I'm not 100% on that, but I believe they did. Let me know in the comments down below if you liked them, you did, you didn't. I like fell in love with their little C collection they had going on. I still like kind of am throwing it out there. But yeah, I will catch you next time. Yeah, bye.